Cái video tôi phải đi học về tổng người nhé. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. First step to in 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Second step, divide orang ini number 4. Step boleh to bo ini number under root mah. Fourth step to square yang 0 will be 0 mah. 0 divided by anything will be 0. Square yang 1 will be 1. Square yang 2 to square yang 4 to 2. 2 into 1. 2 into 2. Square yang 1 will be 1. Square yang 2 to by root 2 itu. Root 3 will be root 3. Square yang 4 to 2. Ini cancel. 1 square yang 1 will be 1. Aduh, boy sin theta. Sin 0 will be 0. Sin 30 will be half. Sin 45 will be 1 by root 2. Sin 60 will be root 3 by 2. Sin 90 is 1. Kata poin mana? Cos. Cos sin 90 is equal to 90 is 1. To me 1 is equal to cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 0 is 1. Ni 1 lagi ni. Ni 0 1. Sin 0 will be equal to cos 90 degree. Ini dia down. Ni 0 lagi ni. New sin t is equal to cos 0. To ni hampir ni hampir to new 60 degree to sin 60 degree is equivalent to cos 30. 3 by 2. The cos 30 to hijau ke mana? Sin 60. Dan ni ra uni 1 ini, uni 0 ini, uni ini, uni ini, uni pergi 45 ni itu. Berarti di utan to is equal sin divided by cos. The 0 divided by 1 will be 0. Kini divide ini utan 2 now cancel next 1 by here. Divide ini sin by cos tan sin by cos root 2 cancel namanya is 1 tan 60 2 cancel next root 3 by 1 root 3 ini tan 90 degree atau undefined atau 1 by 0 ya undefined. Tujuh jadi cosec uni sin opposite cosec atau sin 30 atau cosec 30 yaitu 2 by 1 root 2 tapi di opposite angki jadi itu trik to praktisi kamu san guru baru 2000 the review kumo gini akhir api dan video to gini ku upload di next video one you later coordinate geometry mah the basic coordinate geometry to the concept ko cầm áo của mũi. Để cô về